had your birthday, anniversary, graduation, or whatever, we used to go to the Five and Dime and they would blow up some helium in a latex balloon. A day later they were on the living room floor because they're permeable and they wouldn't hold the helium very long. Well, today, because of latex allergies and technology, we got Mylar balloons. And let me tell you something, they're great because they come in every action figure, shape, size, and cartoon character, and when you blow them up, they last for weeks. They can be really a nuisance. But what they didn't tell you when you went to the store and bought this was how conductive they are. So if one of these gets away from you, gets into the power lines or a tree that has a power line running through it, don't be going and getting the extension ladder just because Johnny won't quit crying because he lost his balloon. You'll see why. Key on? Key on. This might be interesting.
Yeah.
Coming hot because of the wind. Hit it again. Hit it again. Yeah, you welded it. De-energized. Key off.